This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. Happy Monday. Let's pamp it up for the Monday.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, sheesh, guys, I am like off my noodle today. I don't know what happened to me. I woke up and I was just ready for this. Ready to talk to you guys about Bitcoin. Ready to talk to you guys about cryptocurrency. Wow. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Welcome again. If you guys are here, make sure you guys smash these like, subscribe, share this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on with Bitcoin, crypto, the banks, and all the drama that is in this space. I got you covered. I got you, and I got you, and I got you. And I also wanted to share our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Cipher. Let's check out those links in the live chat. In the description, make sure to use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off at checkout from Cipher. Those are the zestiest links you will ever use. The zestiest codes of all codes. Make sure you use them, enjoy them, love them. Also, yes, you guys are asking, oh, prison, no. You guys are asking about the outfit in the chat. Let me show y'all. Oh my gosh. How do you feel? This is so like new for me. This is a new feel. This is a new like vibe. How do you guys feel? Let me know, answer that poll as you guys are hitting that like and sharing the stream out friends, because YouTube doesn't do that for us. And we want to make sure we get those 125 likes and those 100 live viewers. But what are the thoughts? What are the thoughts? Swaggy or what? Swaggy? Swag? Woo? Woo-wah-woo? I don't know. I gotta know. I gotta know what you guys think. This is something that's like very out of my realm, but I wanted to try it. Brother D said he likes it. Thank you. I appreciate it. And you know what? The best. Oh, Crimson is here, and for him. It has pockets. It has pockets. Now, I'm going to say hi to you guys in the chat, and I'm also going to show you guys my homemade sauce that I made yesterday for the first time ever, and it was my family recipe that was very vague.
You're welcome.
Oh, Armani.
You're welcome.
Love the outfit. But you know what? It's about Bitcoin anymore. It's CBDCs from here on out. Government coins FTW.
Armani, I know you're just kidding with me, Armani. Yar to you, my friend. So much love. But yeah, I'm happy you like the outfit, man. We're never giving into CBDCs. So while you guys have your morning coffees, this is the sauce. Guys, look. It's beautiful. And then the pasta in here, the meatballs, and the sausage in there. Guys, this is an achievement for me. And I don't know, like I know we're starting off on a zesty foot. We're zesty sauce. Oh, dang. Little dippity-doo, you know. Guys, this is a big achievement for me. I had a very vague recipe, but I've seen it been made throughout my life. And I said, you know what? I got it. Made homemade meatballs, everything. And I spent the day doing it during my stream yesterday with Digital Asset News, a.k.a. Rob, a.k.a. Awesome Dude. Awesome Dude. Thank you. He was like, good luck with your sauce. And I said, dude, I'm going to taste it right now, right after the stream. And you know what? It was just like my fam recipe. Maybe better than some relatives. And you know what? I didn't get any help. Didn't get any help. Because one person didn't want to. But it's all good because I did it. And I was so happy. And of course, the family helped me too. So it wasn't just like a lonesome mission. They definitely helped. So that was awesome. What an achievement. And I don't know. I'm just very proud. Maybe I'm like overexcited about it. But it's just a big deal to be able to do that. And, you know, just be able to cook something. Every time I could cook something new, I'm like, okay, this is good for my future. This is good to like pass down. And I just think about random things like that. So I know we're getting a little sentimental. I know we're getting a little emotional over the sauce, but it means a lot to me. It really does. So I'm very happy I was able to accomplish that. Sunday sauce is a really, really big deal, especially in the fam. So at least I got to do that. Yay! I also have new emojis in the chat. I know Randy in there is grieving over his emojis because he lost them. But we have a new yes emoji, a new noodle emoji to represent my pasta, and a new coffee emoji. And a new cookie emoji. It's very, very cute. So make sure you guys check those out. If I wish I could do more emojis, but YouTube just doesn't let me unless we get like a ton more members. So. All right, let's say good morning to everyone. We have Mr. Yeehaw in the chat. Colin McKenzie, it's nice to see you. Brian, what's up? We have Emma in the chat. Randy grieving over his emojis. We have Financial Failure. We have Elliot. Elliot, as I'm talking to you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Before you get into it and get fired up, what cold wallet would you use or are using to store Link and Vet? Love the outfit and your accent. Lol.
Aw, Elliot. Thank you. Let's give an off for that one. And a LA Night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love LA Night. Woo. Okay, so Link and Vet. Cold storage for those. Boopity boo. I would like to say Ballet has those. I'll actually double check for you right now. Hold on. Different devices for different things. You know what I mean? Oh, I don't have interwebs. Let's connect to that. Boop, boop. More coins. So Link is on Ballet. And what did you say, Vet? Yeah, I believe... Oh, no, I don't know if that's the right... I don't think that's the right VeChain. But I think there is Link on Ballet. I could also check... Boo, 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 boo. I'll also check Cool Wallet for you. All right, let's... How do I search on here? I haven't done this in a while. Manage. There you go. There's the button. Okay. Add coin. Okay, so let's see Link. Boop. All right, I don't think Link is on Cool Wallet. Vet. That's a good question. I know Link is on Ballet. That's probably the most I could get to you right now without spending a crazy amount of time on it. All my other ones aren't working on this phone. Okay, well, that's all I really got for you. I don't really know where to store Link and Vet, but I know Ballet's got it, so at least Ballet's got Link for you. But I know there's a ton of hot wallets that have it, but I know you're searching for the colds. I'll do more research on that. Definitely Google it. Go on like all of these websites. Look at the coins they support. But... hopefully, I wish I was able to help you more, Elliot, but thank you for the super chat. We have Ray K in the chat, Colin McKenzie. We have Roland. We have AC Hook, good morning to you. Eric, a.k.a. Bullduck. Tom Allen, good morning to you. Hunain, good morning. Richard said, let's go. Get after it, Richard Barry. Get after it. John is in the chat. Crimson, I did your Brian is chilling in the chat. Financial Failure, Dubai Money, S-Dog. Let's see. Boo, 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 Savage Trades, Dave Digital. Hi, Dave Digital. You know, we now need Crypto Billy. Lux, what's up? Nice to see you. You also need to call Creighton. GT, nice to see you. Ricochet Rabbit, what's up? John Legend, how's it going? John Foster, of course, Armani, Christopher Hanna, Crypto Wolf, good morning. Vampolo. The TikTok said, okay, the hip toe crypto. Dude, that's kind of like a song. Jimmy, good morning to you. What's up? There's so many people. Mark T, good morning. Who else? Juan Lewis, hello. Robert Curry, good afternoon. Doug said, glad to join the Zest for the first time after seeing Rob's video. Love the vibes and content. Well, thank you, Doug. Shout out to you, Mr. Doug. Welcome to the stream. Oh, there's Creighton. Didn't really see the outfit. Hard to judge. This is the vibe. The vibe that we're going for. There you go. There you go. That's another P before we get too deep into the show. M2, oh gosh, Will Smith. Please don't smack the denim right off and give me cloth. Chad Stanford, nice to see you. Oh, Will Smith, he said, hello, family. He's so nice in here. Hi, Yeti. Howdy to you. Yeehaw. MK said, loves the outfit. Thank you. Thank you for the memberships. Aw, that's so cute. I love that memberships. Look at her go. Like, that's so cute. I love that. Thank you. Guys, please claim those. I hope Randy gets his thing. He did. He got his emojis back. See, now he might be your favorite because, you know, competition between the family. It's getting toxic. We got All Set Miner. We got Kyle. We have, I think we have so many people. Mike Volmer, the professor. Nice to see you, the professor. Link is on Ledger 100%. Well, we know how we feel about that on the channel because we do not want our keys extracted from our wallet. Who else? I think I got everyone. Academy, nice to see you. He does love you. He does love you. I think he loves you the most out of all three of us. It's true. It's very much true. Alexandra G, great to see you. She said I look good. Thank you. I appreciate it. Chump change. Vitalik just flew by in his spacecraft as he's depositing some ETH to Coinbase, which we'll talk about later. Meanless, you have to stop asking me for that, man. You got to stop. I know there's some bad intentions behind that one. I was informed. Okay. Vamp, thank you for the roses. I appreciate that. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys, let's get after it. Yes, Alexandra G is the G, Emma. Guys, again, we have like 70 people here. Let's make sure to smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. We have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. YouTube does not like to share our stream out, so let's do it ourselves. Sip your morning coffee. Get your beautiful agua, whatever you prefer. I think I need a sip of water before we get going here. Is that right, LA Knight?
Yeah.
LA Knight for the freaking win, man. Icon. All right, so we got beautiful bubbles for our hour. Again, not too much craziness going on in the past hour. The biggest gainer is right here. It's only up 3-4%. The past day doesn't look great. We're just meh. Link is over here in honor of Elliot, up 2% today. Aptos is up 4.4%. And we have some other things going on, but nothing really too crazy over the weekend. Now let's poppity-doodad over to the charts. We got Bitcoin that's $26,153 today. And again, guys, very volatile. We're down a whole 0.36%. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I can't believe how volatile. Bitcoin is crazy. You could just, your wealth. All right, guys, let's stop joking around because we have sideways money flow, which isn't funny. And the VWAP is spiking down. We have that red dot printing on market Cipher here. Let's check in on the RSI. Oh, gosh, the RSI, she's bearish just slightly. It's slightly neutral. But we had like this thumbs down movement here with the RSI that we didn't enjoy. It was just a total reject. Now,
By Emma something above adequate today.
oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Do you like that gif? Let's freaking go. I'm so happy that played. It's unbelievable. Thank you. Yeah, maybe I will get him something. Maybe, just maybe. I was just kidding. Yes, I will. And, man, I replaced that one and the other one, and I'm just like, I'm so happy one of them played. Like, that is just so unbelievable. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Mr. Anonymous. Mr. Anonymous is nice when he's a neutral third party, you know? All right, so again, the RSI. I'm just so pumped right now. Pamp it up one more time. Pamp it up one more time. Okay. That RSI, man. Why is it bearish? Maybe Mr. Anonymous can tell us. Why is it bearish? Hopefully it pans back up. But we need that money flow to come back in. As you guys can see, we've been on the daily in the red for money flow since August 15th. Now, again, we're at a little tiffy point where we wanted to reach that 200-day SMA. That's sitting at $27,898. But we sort of rejected our resistance at 27.1 back here a few days ago on the 19th, so like 6 days ago. Meh, boring. We've been slipping ever since. Again, really stuck at this 26.1 range. And again, we want to get back to 27.1 because that's our resistance, past that 200-day SMA because typically, again, when you're below the 200-day SMA, that is, again, typically bearish territory. We want to pamp. We want to pamp it up. Yeah. And then maybe, again, if we confidently somehow pass this 200-day SMA and go up to 28.4. That's the goal. Otherwise, I'm always going to be scared of 24.8. I don't want to see 24.8. That's not the vibe because we did bounce off of 24.9, which were very close on September 11th. We had a nice bounce that day. And still ever so slightly, we have our 3 white soldiers, 1, 2, 3, these 3 green candles right here, my friends. That is typically, again, a bullish pattern. And if we don't see 25.1, we are okay. But if we see 25.1 and we fall below this candle where we started, the 3 white soldiers, then that is a little bit scary and a little bit bearish. So hopefully, again, this remains a bullish pattern. We got Ethereum, that's $1,547, below $1,600. You guys know how I feel about that. We're even farther away from our 200-day SMA that we were so close yet so far from. Sideways money flow, we have downwards momentum, sideways VWAP, just meh, just complete meh. We have bearish type RSI. We're in that bearish territory. It doesn't seem like she's too hype here, to be honest, the RSI. And again, we have this kind of resistance at 1630, 1629 around where we just can't get past it, man. We keep testing, rejecting it, sideways trading there. Now we're sitting at 1574. And the next point I'm scared of is 1450 because, again, we did bounce to this point after the FTX recovery in January. We have March here where we bounced off that level, and we were sideways trading pretty much ever since at 1630. It's still been in play pretty much since March. Our 200-day SMA is sitting at $1,800, so hopefully we somehow get there. It's just 1630 and 1700 seems to be a tiff for Ethereum, a little tiff. Hopefully she pamps it up. We also have a new week. How bad am I? I didn't even go over the new week. So let's go to Ethereum, the weekly chart here. We just started a new week. Guys, let me know if you think we're going to have a green or a red week in the chat. If you think we're going to have a red week, put a yes. So I'm going to trick you guys today. I'm switching it up. For a bearish week, a red week, put a yes emoji or a 1. And if you think we're going to have a green week, put a 2. So we have Ethereum, again, second week in the red if we continue on this road. 2 weeks ago, we had a nice green week, but nothing too crazy. And we had green money flow, but we're slightly below that zero line now with some sideways VWAP. So it looks, again, sideways on the weekly. Going back to Bitcoin, let's check out the Bitcoin weekly here, where, again, it kind of looks the same as Ethereum, very sideways, not a lot of movement at all. We want the money flow. We want the movement when it seems like we're just sideways here too, ever so slightly below that zero line. It seems like, again, the bulls really need to defend this level and make sure we don't head back down to this 24.7, 24.8 level, and we bounce back to 27.1 past the 200-day SMA. Litecoin, look at Litecoin, the right coin, as some people would say. Now, we see Litecoin sideways, man, but it looks like very consolidated, like very like, you know, a spring that's like, you know, very interesting. Very, very interesting. $64.38, up 1.31%, currently leading the market as she typically does. We're right at that zero line for money flow, but spiking with that VWAP and green dots printing on market Cipher, which looks comparatively bullish when you look at Ethereum and Bitcoin compared to Litecoin. Now, we want to get to that 200-day SMA, going back to the daily chart here that's sitting at $83.84. I like $84 Litecoin because, you know, 84 million Litecoin, $84 Litecoin, you know, that's just, I don't know, some synergy at that level. I feel good vibes about it. And when we were at that $84 level, that's when our cup and handle here on the daily really played out. We had a 30% day, which was absolutely wild. We did retrace from that day, where we're at 63, 64 bucks, but the thing we want to pass is 67. 67 is the TIF, 74 is the next TIF, and then we want to get to that 200-day SMA. Litecoin, how beautiful is she? I freaking love Litecoin. Litecoin is gorgeous. You look at Litecoin, and still, the money flow is sideways, peaking down a little bit. The VWAP is a little sad, too. And the momentum, meh. Looking at the RSI, though, she looks a little bit more spicy, where we're spiking up right here, and it looks like we're about to enter that neutral zone, maybe even bullish territory for the RSI. So that's very interesting. Very excited for that. And we got Doge that's slipping too. That's like 6 cents right now. And I just want that 6.5 cents back on Doge. We need to hit that 200-day SMA that's just above 7 cents. Gosh dang it. Dang you, Doge. Dang, Doge. Woof, woof. Pimp it up. We need Doge. Man. Look at it. Look at it go. Hey! I love that. Look at the little Litecoin, $84. Look at the little Litecoin. I got to get the audio maybe hooked up. I got to see if I could do audio with that. So that way it says thank you. The thank you sound with that GIF. because it's symbolic, it's a symbolic gift. Yay, thank you. I appreciate that, Mr. Anonymous. Anonymous is popping off today. What a neutral third party. He's like, Mr. Anonymous is cool once in a while, I guess he's always cool. It's just like, maybe someone he's friends with is not, someone I'm rebelling against. Anyway, No G said, good morning, MTC shirt on fleek. Thank you. I appreciate that. It's a dress, actually, with pockets. Pockets. I don't know. I feel like very festive with this. I feel very full. I feel very just, out here. Bold, enjoying it a little bit, vibing. Oh gosh, guys, we have some news this morning, don't we all, Travel Man? Oh my gosh, you're not trolling me today? Not here to give you a hard time today. You look nice, like the outfit. Travel Man, I've won you over today? Thank you, I appreciate that. Travel Man, we're always chilling over there. With pockets, yes, Creighton, the pockets. The pockets are everything. The pockets are like just as big of a deal as the dress, if you know what I mean. Yeah. It's a big deal. Pockets are a big, big deal. And it's just as big of a deal as people that are holding certain amounts of cryptocurrency. And this morning, we know Michael Saylor, he likes to make his moves with MicroStrategy. This morning, they accumulated another 5,445 Bitcoin for a whopping $147.3 million. Oh, boy. And now they currently have around 158,000 Bitcoin total. Look at this. MicroStrategy acquired an additional 5,445 Bitcoin for $147.3 million at an average of $27,000 per Bitcoin. As of September 24th, they hold 158,245 Bitcoin acquired for $4.68 billion at an average price of $29,582 per Bitcoin. MicroStrategy. And this is very interesting. Shout out to Master Sean. He said MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings are almost larger than the total Litecoin market cap. That's how undervalued Litecoin is. That's very interesting. That's a very, very interesting number. Shout out to Master for that one. I like that. People are worried about Michael Saylor holding so much Bitcoin. Yes, the average price is under $30,000 per Bitcoin. So the average price per Bitcoin is $29,582, so slightly under $30K. And again, 5,445 Bitcoin just today they picked up. So they hold 158,245 Bitcoin total. Is this scary? Man, how do you guys feel? Let me know. What I know is that it doesn't stop the blockchain from working. It's not stopping the decentralized peer-to-peer network that we are a part of, especially because Michael Saylor is one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin along with the US government since they took a considerable amount from Silk Road. Tim Draper actually bought a little bit of that. Now, you have Bitcoin held by Coinbase is actually rivaling the amount that Satoshi holds. Let's dive deeper into the situation. Coinbase currently holds $25 billion in Bitcoin, establishing itself as the world's largest Bitcoin custody entity with nearly 5% of all Bitcoin in circulation. Coinbase's holdings are equivalent to the stash held by Satoshi Nakamoto, which is, again, crazy amounts of Bitcoin. And the largest cold wallet identified held about 10,000 Bitcoin. So that was very interesting as well. So look at that. Satoshi Nakamoto is currently rivaled. It says Coinbase's custody of Ether, too, is significantly smaller, where they hold around $2.6 billion of Bitcoin, of Ether. That's crazy. $2.6 billion in Ether. They got So much money in Bitcoin, $25 billion. That's 5% of all the Bitcoin in circulation. So you see these big players are coming into the space, and you think there's not going to be a run for Bitcoin. These are the things that people have to think about, and that they really don't on day to day, where people are just like, maybe I'll just like buy Bitcoin, I'll trade it, I'll short it here, I'll buy it there. And of course, that's up to you. That's your discretion. Whatever you want to do with your money is your choice. However, you have big players like Microstrategy that hold 158,000 Bitcoin. You have Coinbase that holds well over, let's say, $25 billion of Bitcoin. That's nearly 5% of all the Bitcoin in circulation. You have Satoshi that owns a big bag as well that's now competing with Coinbase. Makes you think, when mainstream adoption comes in and the race for Bitcoin really begins, how many people are actually going to be able to get involved? Of course, Satoshis will always be involved. You have the Lightning Network. Well, you'll be able to pass around Satoshis, but how many people are really going to get to own one Bitcoin? That's going to be the new 1%, the new elite, are going to be people that own one Bitcoin or more. Crazy. You think that when Bitcoin adoption comes through, that the exchanges are going to have the supply for people to buy Bitcoin? There's going to be a Bitcoin shortage where everybody's going to say, we need Bitcoin, we need Bitcoin. We already saw it last bull market where every time Bitcoin pumps, and we even saw it during the little tiff sideways market we've been having. Whenever Bitcoin volume gets crazy, whenever there's a big crash, people want to buy the dip, all of a sudden the exchanges are down. It's because they don't have the supply, or they just want to slow down the market price. There will be a Bitcoin shortage. People will be struggling to get Bitcoin, and they're going to go OTC. People are going to say, oh, Bitcoin's, for example, $100,000 today. If you want one Bitcoin from me, I'm going to charge you extra. The race for Bitcoin begins. And then you go into what else is out there. What else can you accumulate? What else is going to be able to use as a store of value? Money. Currency, because again, that's why we're here, is for cryptocurrency to transact decentralized ways, peer-to-peer, being your own bank, custodying your own assets. That's why we're here, man. The race for Bitcoin, that should be a song, the race for Bitcoin, because it's going to be insane. Now let's take a look at Vitalik. Because as we see people are buying Bitcoin, like Michael Saylor, stacking literally 5,000 Bitcoin this morning, 5,445 to be exact. Coinbase is holding $25 billion in Bitcoin. We have Vitalik, who is, again, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, seems again to be sending 400 ETH, $600,000 to Coinbase. This is the second time in a little while that he's been selling. We have blockchain sleuths that flagged several Ether transactions from a wallet associated with Vitalik from September, totaling $3.9 million. A separate blockchain monitoring profile shared details of 400 ETH transaction worth an estimated $632K from Vitalik's wallet to Coinbase on the 25th. We also saw, again, 2,000 ETH, $3.12 million that was moved. Very interesting, guys. According to Spot on Chain, Buterin's most recent transaction is in the latest spat of ETH, which is in the past 10 days. The blockchain analytics platform estimates Buterin deposited an estimated 2,421 ETH, $3.94 million from September 15th onwards. We've been reporting on this show how Vitalik has been dropping ETH to Coinbase. Little by little, what are his plans? The platform outlined deposits amounting to 321 ETH deposited to Kraken between September 15th and the 19th. He also reportedly deposited a total of 1,700 ETH to Bitstamp in several transactions from September 17th to September 20th, and deposited 500 ETH to Paxos on September 19th. Vitalik, what are you doing, Vitalik? We also know on August 21st, we reported that Vitalik also sent 600 ETH, which is around $1 million. Why is he cashing out? What is he up to, Vitalik? Is he cashing out? Are things going to happen to Ethereum that maybe aren't so zesty? I don't know. We do know that Ethereum gas fees have been through the roof. And it's honestly crazy that we were talking about on Friday, it was either Thursday or Friday, that people, oh my gosh, Ethereum gas fees are astronomical because of Binance. If one entity is moving a good amount of ETH, why does this have to impact the entire Ethereum ecosystem where everybody has to pay the price for one person making some moves? We need something that's going to scale, and we need a founder that's going to be a little bit more transparent in what's going on, because we know Vitalik, he's been selling some ETH, he's been making the moves, and he also has advocated for account abstraction, which again is like the antithesis of crypto. It's literally the opposite of why we're here. Where again, what account abstraction is when you give your private keys to something like Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal and connect your MetaMask to PayPal. So that way you can have account recovery and automated transactions. When again, you don't want to give up your digital identity. You don't want people signing transactions for you. And you don't want anybody having control or any sort of information according to that goes along with your digital identity. Oh gosh, the spice that it takes for me to not go off about account abstraction, and why I'm so weirded out that Vitalik, again, created Ethereum, opened the doors for decentralized finance, yet he's advocating for account abstraction, which is the opposite of why we're in crypto. Just a little bit weird. We have Mixin, though, and this is where things get spicy, because we're so early in this technology that sometimes things fall through the cracks. And you have something like Mixin Network that got hacked for $200 million from their mainnet assets. This is new. This is something that happened overnight. So let's make sure we smash these likes and get after it, guys. We have almost 90 people. We want 100 live viewers and 125 likes. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. Mixin Network hack drains $200 million from mainnet assets. Decentralized peer-to-peer network Mixin has lost approximately $200 million in a hack involving the compromise of the database of a third-party cloud service provider. They confirmed that a hack on September 23rd drained approximately $200 million of crypto assets. An immediate suspension of all deposit and withdrawal services on Mixin Network followed the revelation. They said in the early morning, which was Hong Kong time, there was a cloud service provider, oopsie daisies, that resulted in loss of some assets on the mainnet. They contacted Google and blockchain security company Slow Mist to assist in the investigation. Deposit and withdrawal services are suspended. Regarding how to deal with the lost assets, the Mixin team will announce the solution afterward. Mixin founder will explain this incident in a public Mandarin live stream, which is on the 25th. I'm not sure which time this is on Eastern, but you guys could Google that for sure. Please help spread the word. We'll summarize the content in English afterward for easy reference. We will try our best to minimize the losses and deeply apologize for this. They appointed a blockchain investigator, Slow Mist, like they said in the tweet, to look at it. But we have, again, stable coins, 23.55 million here, 95 million in ETH, 23 million in Bitcoin that was lost. There are more independent investigations going on here. Deposit withdrawals are going to be halted, like we mentioned. And they said, while it was initially promised that they would explain this, links to the live stream were not provided. So guys, can you do some research on this? Because wow. So they didn't put out the links. I thought they did. I thought I saw a link. So that was very crazy. We also see that Vitalik Buterin also got hacked recently, but this is wild. Watch out, guys. Watch out for these protocols. Watch out for these protocols. I want to see, did they really never put out that link? I thought I saw them. Yeah. Fib. They said they were going to do a live stream Mixin. Mixin, where's the live? Where is it? Again, I'm not even clicking the link to their website at this point. It is not worth it. Sad. Sad. We had $200 million hack. Oh, let's go and do an AMA to give clarity. And not in English, because maybe they're not, of course, from here. That's understandable. Then to not put the live stream out at all? And you know what? This is what gets me upset about things that happen in crypto sometimes. And not even in crypto, it's just life, where people say, I'm going to do something, and then you don't do it. I think that's probably one of my biggest pet peeves about life. is that people, like, I don't know, maybe I have trust issues, maybe I've gone through a lot in life, but when people tell me or tell people or tell the community, I'm going to do this, I'm going to act this way, I'm going to be here for you, and then they don't do it, and they kind of just walk back on it like they never said it, oh.
Damn!
That is the heart. That is trust issues. And that is why make sure you look at the audits for every single thing, every smart contract. Make sure it's not just ish kabibble. Make sure it's just not nothing. Look at these audits. Look at GitHub. Look at Reddit. Reddit is awesome. Look at all the nerds and what they're saying.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Fake Rose. Fake I will not accept. But thank you. It is highly disappointing. Highly disappointing. Oh yeah, I'm going to do something. But now I'm not going to do it. Oh yeah. Speaking of things, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start with the Ben Armstrong drama with Hit Network. Now again, I don't even know what to say about this. This is ish kabibble. This is just absolute bull. And I think it might need to end soon. So guys, we have over 100 viewers. Let's get 125 likes on this thing. This needs to end. This is scary. Again, there's children on both sides of the aisle here. Hit Network. Ben, he has a family. Everybody here has a family. We saw Ben that did a live stream on Friday.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh shoot, William, hello.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Volt Army appreciate the content. High voltage sign, high voltage sign, high voltage sign, 100, rocket, fire.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Thank you, William. There was a live stream put out on Friday with Ben Armstrong. AJ did join Ben again, so that was nice for them. There was like a little reunion there. That live stream was crazy. There was a lot said in there. A lot said about Nick Diamandi, a lot said about Hit Network, a lot of things that, again, I don't even know what to say, because it's just like when maybe Ben says something, they say the opposite, and then they say something, and then Ben comes out. Like, we don't know what the real truth is. Let's just put that out there. So we're hearing things from both sides. They still got to go to court, apparently. There's still things they got to figure out. So guys, throw your thoughts in the chat, whatever if you feel, do it. This is America. I'm not censoring you. Nick Diamandi put out this tweet over the weekend saying that Ben has crossed the line and brought his child into the feud with Hit Network. Apparently, there were things that Ben said within the video that he didn't like. He texted Ben, "You crossed the line, demand that you take it out of the video." Ben said no, which is, again, what happened there. You guys could scroll back all weekend, and this is just absolute craziness. We have the video that was originally put out. There were a bunch of transcripts put out over the weekend too about calls. Carlos Diaz, who is the person that Ben said was coming after him, that was threatening him. So there were so many things that were going on here over the weekend. Just crazy, 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 crazy. Apparently, what I got from some of this, and again, I have to listen to the whole phone call uncensored. I didn't listen to the whole thing yet. Basically, TJ was apparently going to be fired from Hit Network by Ben. Then, according to Ben, they started this coup for them to fire Ben because TJ didn't want to get fired. Again, we don't know yet. We have to let the courts decide what happened there. They said, Ben Armstrong, they said there's no wiggling out of it now for TJ, Justin, Carlos, Tim Shed, which is TJ's dad, Nick Diamandi, and Allison, who is his ex-assistant. You're all going down for this. There were times where, he considered doing some dramatic, crazy things that I hope he doesn't do to make it stop. And he almost killed an innocent man. He said, checkmate. He put up a lot of things, discover up crypto. Justin Williams told him on the phone he was ripping his company away from him. Apparently, he's going to get his Lambo back, possibly. Nick Diamandi said he was going to speak at Cipher Punk Conference. He did pull out of that. Nick Diamandi, he tweeted last night. Boopity doop. He said, in recent events and out of respect for the Flux team and passionate people putting on Cypherpunk, I'm going to voluntarily drop out. So that's what that is. He was supposed to be on a panel about home mining. I don't even know if he home mines. Nick Diamandi also said YouTube content hits different. And this was making fun of Ben's video that he put of the phone calls exposing TJ and everybody. Wrote 1 hour ASMR, unhinged sociopath incriminating himself. So again, this deep is very... This fight is very deep. It's very crazy. It's very dramatic. I thought this meme was funny. This space bar was wrecked. Anyway, he's saying good morning to everyone that's not them. There's going to be a movie. Imagine sponsoring Discover Up Crypto at this point. And again, continuous tweets that, again, is too much to go through right now. There's a bunch of things about leaked audio, again, about TJ being fired, supposedly. He said an hour ago he's not at home for his live stream today, but will still stream. He may be on the road. He'll explain shortly. He has a feeling that people will be way more interested to see someone else's live show at 11:30 a.m. So this means that there is something that's going to happen with Hit Network today. And if you guys are going to go, then check out their show at 11:30. He said again, he has a feeling people will be way more interested to see someone else's live show at 11:30. So is this Discover Crypto, or as he calls it, Discover Up Crypto, which is controversial. Again, I'm neutral. Is he talking about that stream? Is he talking about AJ? Oh, little AJ. Little AJ. Poor AJ caught in the middle of all of it. And poor a lot of people that caught in the middle of all this. People moved to Atlanta to work with Ben and be a part of, like, you know, being content creators. And this is just, I guess, crypto. Like, you know, it's just absolutely wild. And it's not cool to see. However, we got to stay positive and we hope for the best with both parties. This is, again, very, very sad. Again, one of the top brands in crypto that's just absolutely, you know, it kaplued. It went kaplooey in a very fast time frame. Very, very fast time frame. I feel very bad, and I wish it never happened. I wish everyone was happy-go-lucky and just willing to work together, figure things out, and not to, like, you know, as you dive deeper into this, it's very deep. Just levels that I don't even know if you could write a TV show about this, to be honest. And that's why Ben jokes around about it in the movie. Stacy, hello. Nice to see you guys. Wow, man, isn't that a wild trip? Isn't that a wild trip? But if you guys want to go, again, check out everything. This is Ben's channel right here. Again, he looks very serious in this video. Little Ben over here. The stream will happen at Ben Armstrong Crypto, 11:30 a.m. You might want to see the other stream. We don't know what's happening. We don't know if Ben is going to get control of his company back or anything of the sort. Man, guy worked hard to get to where he was at. Guy worked hard. Make sure, again, like, you know, even Ben said it, you know, if you have a brand, make sure you don't give that up to anybody. I wish Ben had control of the BitBoy crypto name and around the blockchain. I really wish he did. I just hope everything, again, gets resolved. I hope everyone is happy at the end of the day. And we all promote peace, love, and happiness. Because that's what we really need in crypto. And that's what crypto brings, is unity on a global level. So despite all of the, you know, drama that may be happening today, despite all of the crazy things happening in crypto, whether that is the regulation, whether that's drama, just know that the fundamentals are always in play, which is having Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, money that belongs to you, money that can't be taken from you, something that, again, gives you your value, respects your purchasing power. There's a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoin, having schedule every 4 years to control the inflation, to control the supply, where, again, there's no borders, there's no permission, there's nobody stopping you from doing what you need to do, transferring that information, because that's what money is information that you're sending to other people. It's value. Information is value. So let's make sure we always keep that in mind, stick to the fundamentals of the space. Don't worry about all of this crazy sheesh that's happening right now, because, again, it will all pass. It really will. Yep. Where are cookies? I had sauce, man. I had sauce. According to Kelly Kellum, there's no BitLab Academy, and there's a meeting. Oh, CL with that insider information. All right. Apparently, yeah, there's a meeting going on. Hopefully, again, things get resolved. I'm over it. Like, you know, I really just, I think it's just like, It's just sad, man. It's just sad. Guys, we have 100 live viewers, 98 likes. Let's get those 125 likes. Let's pamp it up. Woo. Hey. Wow, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. So we're going to talk about a New York regulator that's causing us havoc that is actually leaving office. And we're going to talk about another politician that's hypocritical.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hello, Randy. You, trust issues? Eva. I'm trying to decide what's better, pockets for your stuff, cuteness of the dress? Boots or shoes? I'm feeling boots is the way to go here. Oh, a Burberry Briar brown shoulder bag. Oh, I'm feeling that.
Thank you for the $50 super chat. Me trust issues, never. Yeah, never. So, you know, I love the pockets, Creighton. I'm telling you, the pockets are like, you know, amazing. And they're like, you know, big pockets. Like I could put like a whole phone in here. Like I could put a tablet, like an iPad mini in this thing. Like, you know what I mean? This is some serious pocket. And you know what? I could even put a belt on it. Like these are real. I could put a belt on it and add some more swag, Creighton. It's true. Now, boots. I need a good pair of boots. You know, here's the thing. I don't, you know, us nerds, we're only concerned about, oh, RN, thank you, denim, yes. You know, us crypto nerds, we're concerned about like, you know, the outfit more than the shoes because like we you know, sometimes we leave our house. So I do need a good pair of boots, Creighton. You are correct. As for the Burberry Briar brown shoulder bag, I'm sure that looks fancy. I'll look that up actually. I don't have really like all this name brand stuff, man. Let's Google that. Burberry. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, Creighton. So you know your stuff, Creighton. You're a very fashionable man. Very fashionable brand. Jessica, Google this bag? How do you feel about the bag? Alexandra G, my girl is in the chat. Please throw your thoughts. Also, I would like Jessica's opinion on the outfit too. Is this like something you would wear, Jessica? Jessica, I feel like your blonde hair would go good with this. I'm gonna throw that out there. Alexandra G would rock it too. Alexandra G, I know she would. So I need cowboy boots. Oh my gosh. Yes, I do. I want cowboy boots. I want the cowboy. I want a yee-ho. Absolutely. Absolutely. When I went to Fort Worth, I was speaking at Bitcoin Ben's little meetup there. Not little meetup. It was a great meetup. Shout out to Bitcoin Ben. Awesome dude. So yeah, I was down there and everybody, they were making custom boots, custom hats. I was FOMOing to the top degree. I wanted it so bad. Give me the boots. Give me the hats. Yee. Yeah, okay. I know I'm going like really off topic, but thank you, Creighton. One day I'll get that Burberry bag. That might be a new goal. Right, Redman? Alexandra G, thank you. Thank you. Jessica has the noodles. I think I made her lose her noodle. Oh, sheesh. New York's top regulators leaving office this month. Yes, Fort Worth. It was like a while ago.
You. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
SMDH.
Why? Why? Why, Dave? Why are you shaking your dang head? Do we have an issue, Dave? Dave, are we beefing? Dave, I didn't know that we were beefing. Are you shaking your head at Creighton? You better be at Creighton. Yeah, you don't want the smoke, Dave. You don't. Just kidding. New York's top regulator is leaving the office. This is the top crypto regulator, which we also know that there's other crypto regulators that are giving us the literal brunt of it in here. But here we go. This is Peter Martin. He's the head of virtual currency division at the New York State Department of Financial Services. He started the role in December 2021 and is moving to the private sector. Prior to joining the NYSDFS, he worked on the digital asset strategy at IBM. Maybe he'll actually be someone that's nice about cryptocurrency. The Bit license, again, this is crazy. The virtual currency division, they're responsible for, again, the Bit license that launched in 2015, which Sam Bankman-Fried wanted to make a federal thing, which would have crushed us all. Guys, you don't want to live in New York if you like crypto. I love New York, you know, but dude, I don't know if I love it here. I think I'm lying about that. You know, I like New York, but it's just like big rats that are like bigger than me. The fruit, scary. I know I said that 3 times, but I truly mean it. Yeah, New York's like, but it has like really good food, has my Italian, you know, things that I get from the supermarket to make my sauce. So I guess like that's the good thing about New York. Other than that, man, do I need to live on a beach or something, or a farm, We also have another thing going on. So while we have New York's top crypto regulator leaving, hopefully they're not replaced by somebody else that's like just as detrimental as him. Hopefully somebody that's, of course, way more open to cryptocurrency. There's always hope for that. We had a Bitcoin critic, which is Senator Menendez, who currently got charged with corruption and bribery. Get that again. This person, Senator Menendez, who just got charged for corruption and bribery with gold bars, with cash, told people in 2017 that Bitcoin is for criminals and for money laundering. Ah, the hypocrisy. Ah, the double standards that go on within TradFi and cryptocurrency. U.S. Senator and Bitcoin skeptic Robert Menendez has been charged with bribery after allegedly accepting swaths of gold, cash, and mortgage payments as part of a corrupt relationship with 3 businessmen in his home state. They follow years of criticism of the politician targeting crypto that he accused of enabling a range of criminal activities while empowering foreign actors to evade U.S. sanctions. Oh gosh, look at this. From at least 2018 up and to including 2022, Menendez and his wife agreed and did accept hundreds of thousands of dollars of bribes in exchange for using Menendez's power and influence. Federal prosecutors allege that he helped enrich 3 businessmen while also benefiting the government of Egypt by providing sensitive U.S. government information, among other charges. So again, we had espionage. But if we use Bitcoin and if we had cryptocurrency enacted in this country and we embrace that technology as we should, then we wouldn't have this problem. We wouldn't have to worry about people like Senator Robert Menendez from New Jersey saying since 2018 that Bitcoin is for criminals. It gives powers to foreign actors to evade U.S. sanctions. Meanwhile, he's been accepting from the same time he's been talking about Bitcoin up until 2022. He's accepting bribes in forms of what? Gold, cash, and, of course, mortgage payments. But that's okay. No one's really talking about that, how he came after Bitcoin and crypto, yet he's allowed to accept all of these things. He is being indicted. We will see what happens to him, but will he be charged to the fullest extent of the law? Or is he just another politician with power and money that really gets to get away with these things? If we were using Bitcoin, if we had all of these people like politicians using cryptocurrency where we would be able to see their payments, what maybe they're investing in, and what their intake is, we would be able to see that they are doing illicit activity, that they are doing things that aren't in the best interest of this country, because at the same time, he's accepting these bribes. He's also giving the Egyptian government sensitive U.S. information. So Bitcoin could prevent all of this illicit activity done by politicians, as well as save the people from being exposed to other countries. Isn't that funny? Empower all these foreign people, he's saying, all these foreign criminals. Yet he's the criminal in our own country, giving away information to other governments and accepting bribes. And there were a lot of other things that they said he did and accepted and did payments using these things for it. Those allegations are very serious. So if you guys want to look deeper into that, then make sure you guys definitely do that. But it's not a shock. Not at all. It's very, very sad. Very sad. Yes, we are the Vampire Diary besties. I love the Vampire Diaries. He quoted the Vampire Diaries. I was very surprised about that. If you go with the Burberry boots, the Burberry bag, it's riding boots, and if you go with the cowboy boots, I'd go with the flannel bag, blue belt. Okay, all right. Listen, man. One day again, I gotta wait for that. Gotta wait for the zest. Gotta wait for the designers. Make sure you guys say hello to me in the chat. Guys, we have 119 likes. We need that 125. We need to pimp it up.
Pump it up.
Oh, pimp it up. Do it again.
You got to pump it up.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Hello, Discover Crypto. Hello, Discover. How's it going, my friends over there? Who's behind this Discover? Who am I talking to? Just so I know. If I don't know if you want to say who you are behind the little Discovers. But hello, waving, sending a shalom. As they say.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
You need a residual straw cowboy hat. I have 2.
Mr. Elliott, may I go look up that? Let me do a googly for you. Let me googly Google. Oh, she's classy. Is this what you're talking about? Hold on. Elliot, let me know if this is what you're talking about because she's classy. This is a classy hat. Discover. Maybe you could jump in on this one because you kind of have the logo gives me a southern vibe a little bit. How do you feel about that? Do you have a yeehaw? I listen. I want the cowboy hats. I want the cowboy boots. I want it all. I want it all. Absolutely. MTC modeling career soon. No. I mean, listen, I'm not against it. I would.
You're welcome.
Aw, that's so cute. Like you know how to get me. You know how to get me.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
And my boots have been resold twice, and yes.
That's magical. That is magical. Elliot, thank you for the $2 super chat. You have your boots, your cowboy boots that have been resold twice, and yes, that is crazy. A yeehaw to you, my friend. A yeehaw. I love that. MTC, you know what it is. Okay, I guess I do. Discover. Listen, man, I am all over the place. I am all over the place because I am sick of all the craziness that goes on in this space. So guys, please don't be crazy. Don't get involved in drama. Be self-sovereign individuals because we have big people coming into the space. Like I said, JP Morgan with their own private blockchain, Citigroup, and all of these things are continuing to occur. While Google Cloud adds 11 new blockchains to their BigQuery data analytics service. The cloud division at Google adds support for 11 additional blockchains. These networks are Avalanche, Arbitrum, Kronos, Phantom, Near, Optimism, Polkadot, Polygon, Tron, and test networks Polygon, Mumbai, and Ethereum. I don't even want to butcher that because you guys will make fun of me. The Google Cloud notes that users can now make intricate on-chain queries such as assessing the number of NFTs minted or contrasting transaction fees across the chains. Integration with end-user applications like Looker and Google Sheets is also available. They've been getting into this since 2018. They launched their Google Cloud blockchain data services in BigQuery, aiming to grant developers access to on-chain data from Bitcoin and Ethereum. They added later in the year 6 more chains like Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Zcash, with the recent additions of, again, the other 11 chains. Google Cloud has been involved in so many cryptocurrencies, and also you could pay with cryptocurrency for their Google Cloud services in their partnership with Coinbase. So this is, again, something that's very interesting, something that you should keep note of because as, again, the FUD comes through with crypto and there's so much drama going on that people get distracted that there are big banks developing cryptocurrency, blockchain, tokenization things, such as, again, tokenizing bonds, tokenizing your real estate deed, tokenizing even things as simple as your college degree or your high school diploma. All of these things are going to get tokenized. People realize this, and that is why there has to be more innovation and more people saying, hey, you know what, despite the FUD, despite everything going on, Google is still coming into the space. Amazon is working on their NFT and gaming side of things. Oh, maybe I should do a little bit more research into crypto instead of listening to Jamie Dimon that's saying that Bitcoin is a hyped up fraud. Crypto is a decentralized Ponzi scheme. And listening to Larry Fink from BlackRock when they said that Bitcoin shouldn't be something that you even look at or touch. But now they're launching a spot Bitcoin ETF. So you see the way things work. When there's FUD, when there's doubt, they want to instill that in you. Gary Gensler, there's nothing but fraud, abuse, misconduct.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Yeah. while you have all the FUD coming from people like that, coming from people like Liz Warren that have $193,000 a year salary, meanwhile accumulated a net worth of $73 million, all of these things have to just sit in your head and say, hey, this is wrong. When you have politicians like Robert Menendez, a senator, that said that Bitcoin is for criminals, empowers foreign people to do bad things and evade U.S. sanctions. Meanwhile, that same politician was accepting bribes in cash, gold, mortgage payments, and giving away U.S. sensitive information to the Egyptian government. So what is the real corruption? What is the real issue? Is it Bitcoin? Is it crypto? Is it decentralized finance? Is it transparency? Or is it the privacy? Is it the illegitimacy? Is it the illicit activity that goes on within the traditional financial system in our own government? And I think that's very sad that we have to do our research ourselves, that we can't rely on the SEC to protect us like they said they would.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Time for another Gary Gensler audio bite.
Justin, for you.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Oh, Gary. I don't know. Gary makes me laugh because he laughs. Gary's a very joyful individual. When he talks about Bitcoin, when he talks about crypto, oh, Gary likes to talk his smack. But we do know that he loved Algorand. He loved Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, because they're all security. They're all commodities, not securities. Because he said in 2018 at MIT that indeed 3/4 of the crypto space are commodities, cash, crypto. That they're not securities, like it shouldn't even touch the court. And that there's things like Algorand that could be the next Uber. It just depends on who's going to update the software. And that things like Algorand can deplace the central banks. Puts everything at risk. Even Gary knew that 2018, and then in 2019, he went to CZ and said, CZ Binance, let me be an advisor for you. I can help you out. I'm interested. I love crypto. I like blockchain. You know, I was at MIT and stuff, you know. He then becomes chairman of the SEC, giving his depositions to CZ Binance in advance, where he said within these documents that he did not own cryptocurrency. We know that all of this is deception. All of this is lies, because they say that the SEC and all of these people in the Senate and the Congress, they're all supposed to protect you, but they inside trade against you. They make sure that everybody in this country struggles while they're the only ones making money. Isn't it funny? $193,000 a year, Liz Warren. All of a sudden, $73 million is her net worth. Wouldn't it be nice if we got those insider trades, if we had those heads up that maybe things are going to happen in the market, maybe we should make a move too, but that's not fair. When the people try to rise up like Wall Street Bets did with GameStop and AMC stock, the hedge funds didn't think that these nerds on Reddit could pump the markets. Well, they did. So they halted the stocks because it was going up too fast. The hedge funds losing billions of dollars, one of the worst days in history for the hedge funds. But nobody spoke about that. Nobody talks about how the hedge funds are hedge funds. The hedge funds wouldn't be hedge funds. They wouldn't be these big asset managers if they didn't get the heads up, if they didn't know the ins and outs of the markets. If they just traded like everyday people going along, watching the charts and listening to the news of the companies, then they wouldn't be where they are. It's we against them. There is a them. Whether you like to believe it or not, there is a them. Whether you consider Congress the them, or people maybe higher up than that, we don't know. All we know is that we have people like the Bank for International Settlements, which again is a group of unelected bureaucrats, central bankers that control 95% of the world's economy. Maybe that's the them that gives those messages. Oh, this is what company is going to do that. This is the project this is the country that's going to work on a CBDC. This country is going to inflate their currency this month. This is what goes on. They get to plan, plot, fly their private jets. So all their conferences get exclusive drives. Oh, they can't be seen by the public. They got to do their own thing. Well, we get to sit and we suffer. Well, we watch the bank stocks dwindle and dwindle and dwindle all year, while other people are amassing their net worths because they get the inside knowledge and we don't. We didn't get to know about Silicon Valley Bank collapse while Jim Cramer was shilling the stock a month earlier on CNBC. Says SVB, this is what you got to get into. All of a sudden, SVB was gone. And the executives got to cash out millions of dollars right before the collapse. Israel's one of their largest banks got to cash out $1 billion. Foreign entities got to cash out their money while everyday people got punished. Sitting on the street outside of Silicon Valley Bank waiting for their money if they could feed their families that weekend. That's only the beginning. And you know what? The news doesn't tell you about the millions and billions of dollars that people are withdrawing from banks actively right now this second because they don't trust them to custody their funds. And you know what's really depressing is that the banks are going to continue to be insolvent. This one insolvent, that one insolvent. Then we have smaller banks going with the bigger banks. And then once that happens, once that occurs, then you're trapped. And that's when they give you the central bank digital currency. And that's where you have to fight the fight. Bitcoin, crypto, own something. Take control, opt out of a system that's taking total advantage of you. And opt into somewhere that owns your value. You own your crypto. You own your money. No intermediaries. Transparency, which is something they don't want, which is why they hate crypto so much. And you can look back at the economic report of the president where they even said that CBDCs are not crypto. And it's true because there's no obligation, it says it within that document, there's no obligation for them to use distributed ledger technology, have any sort of transparency. And they said that money is value that is issued by a sovereign country, and that sovereign country issues that value by a central bank. And that's what they consider money, is central bankers, is the money they create that they control you with, that they inflate to infinity, where we have the national debt that's above $33 trillion, the money printer going, and all of us going, but it's too bad, so sad for us, right? We're just everyday little plebs. Thank you, Discover, for the like button hype. He said, smash the like button, you fools. I don't know if it's a he. I don't know if it's a she. I don't know who's running that account right now. But I wouldn't call them fools. I would say, like, my friends. My friends. Uncle Jimmy. Hola, Uncle Jimmy. Hype for Uncle Jimmy. No G is asking, where is my noodle? We still have to find out. Guys, please use that noodle emoji in the chat. Please locate my noodle. I don't know where it is. I don't know. You guys all need to be members. Doug, BTC dominance went down slightly. Oh, goshy gosh. M2, hi, nice to see you. Let's see. Everyone's talking about BTC dominance. Where's Bitcoin right now? Where is she? 26.1, we're still sideways. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. I'll look at that chart. BTCD. Is it .D? Yeah, that's it. And that's it. All right, well, Bitcoin dominance is at 49%. I don't know. People are like, it has to be over 50% for altcoins to do good. I don't know. I think like a lot of that is just, it depends on the hype in the market. I don't know if Bitcoin dominance is really dependent, like on if like altcoins are dependent on Bitcoin dominance. But we have yet to see. We're waiting for it to break 50% again. We're waiting. Creighton said, must be Nick. You think Nick is running the account? I don't know. It doesn't matter, to be honest. At least they're being nice. You know, I've had nice experiences with all individuals, and that's what I'm gonna base my stuff off of. You know, I'm not taking sides in the whole thing. It's like so lame.
Thank you.
Is Rob from Sin City in here? Where?
Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm sorry, could you repeat all that? All I got was BRRRRRRRR. You look too good today, it's distracting me.
Oh my gosh. Well, thank you. I can't repeat all that. Thank you, though. Thank you. Joe, oh, stop it. All set miner, good morning to you. Guys, please say good morning to me. John, nice to see you. Crypto Chef. Justin, of course. Where is Rob? Where's Rob? I need Rob. Where's Rob? Mellow Fellow, hello. Redman, hello. Patrick Murphy, what's up? Where is Rob? Beth, nice to see you. What is going on? SAS Finance said, Randy, you're funny. Thank you. I appreciate that. Where's Rob? Watari Sensei, nice to see you. Where's Rob? I can't find Rob. Rob's not in the chat? Oh, I thought you said he was. Or was Rocco in the chat? Either way, you know what? This is what I'm going to do. Boopity doop, poopity doop. Okay, Sin City. Beautiful. Okay, this is what y'all are going to do. I'm right here on Sin City Crypto's Twitter. And we're looking right here. We're going to copy this link. We're going to put it in the chat. We're going to paste it there. And what y'all are going to do, if you feel so inclined, this is little Rob. It's Rob. I tried doing his voice. That wasn't good. Anyway, shout out to Rob from Sin City. He has been in the hospital. He hasn't been on the show. I was slightly concerned. I was like, where's Rob? So he's in the hospital. Bro is not doing well. I did comment. I was sending love to him. Guys, please send love to Rob. Send him zest. Comment sending you zest. Send him love. Send him good vibes because nobody wants to be in the hospital. And he said he has some issues, so make sure you just show some love to him because he deserves it. And I think Sin City, they're such sweet little dudes. And Rob advocated for me to come to Vegas too. So Jimmy threw up lighting test on X. What does this mean? What does this mean, Uncle Jimmy? What are you up to? Say good morning to me, friends. Miss Teen, nice Discord. Thank you. Shout out to Eric for that. We want Emma singing the potato song. Emma should sing the potato song.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
Guys, we have 134 likes. We absolutely smashed our goal. Can we get 150? Like literally 16 more, and my heart will be like fluttering. Like literally, my heart will be like this. You know what I mean? Justin, yo, hello to you. Lux said he was in the hospital a couple months ago. Your health is bad this year. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sending love to you. Here's some more love rain. Love rain to you, my friends. Hope you're feeling better. Gosh, guys, don't make me sad out here. I don't like to see that people are hurting. Crypto Polio, nice to see you. Safa Kid said left the building. Oh, no. Patrick DeMars, good morning to you. Wow, we got Patricks in here. Mad Patricks out here. Yeah, it's crazy. Jag, get better soon, Uncle Rob. Yes, please wish Rob well wishes again. Here you go. Here's the link. Uncle Jimmy, in regard to our crazy expensive Halloween display going on. Oh, your Halloween display. Got it. Listen, man, I want pictures. I want all of it. I need a walkthrough. You know, I need like you need to create the same thing in the metaverse. So that way, if I'm not in like Texas with you, man, I could go and walk through your house and like the little thing outside. I want to see it. I need to hang out with you, Jimmy. We need to go to Texas. We need some gumbo. We need to get the yeehaw hat. We need all of it. Uncle Jimmy. You heard? Yeah. Free Dave. What did he do? Where's Dave? Dave Digital. Oh, gosh. I cannot say hi to you. I refuse. Rebellion. Dave's FinTech. Hello. Yeehaw, Doug says. Absolutely. Yeehaw your heart away. What are we doing if we don't yeehaw? Yeehaw. Like, I literally want all the yeehaws. I want all the cowboy boots, all the cowboy hats. That would just literally warm my heart. I know where the best barbecue in Texas is. Yes, dude. I want barbecue. I want real barbecue. I'm not messing around anymore. I'm not. You know, it's not in Austin, though. Where's the best place to get barbecue? I think Uncle Jimmy would know. B-Team, nice to see you. What part of Texas? I don't know. I was in Fort Worth, and I like their steak. Come visit you in Dallas. I was close. Hashtag end the... No, I can't do it. I'm reserving that sound. Remember the... Yeah, I want to play it. I want to play it. I need a reason. You had your favorite pizza in New Jersey last night. What was that? Listen, the rebellion's rebelling. I can't stop it. It's already in motion. Hard 8 barbecues 20 minutes north of Dallas. Okay. MTC Halloween costume. No, we're too early for that. I mean, not really. It's a month away. Halloween costume, I don't know. I have to think about that. What should I be for Halloween? Guys, throw that in the chat. What should I be for Halloween? That would be really awesome. Guys, can we get 9 more likes for 150 and then I'll throw a party. I'll literally dance right now for 150 likes. 9 more. 9 more. Dallas area barbecue's legit. Yeah. You think I should be SBF for Halloween? I just gotta like, put. You know what? I could be both SBF and Caroline. Like just go in and out of the shot, and get like the nerd glasses like Caroline has. Yeah. Miss BTC USA. Oh my gosh, that would be so awesome if that was a thing. 150 likes for dance moves. Yes, 6 more likes. Yeehaw. Yeah, I like to yeehaw. Absolutely. I want to learn how to line dance, Be it like I see these live streams on TikTok of people that are in like, the like bars or like dance floors or whatever, in Texas and in the South, and they're just like line dancing, like having such a good time. I feel that energy through the live stream. I want to be there. I want to line dance in the South. I want to just like have my boots and like, have the outfit. It's like every outfit these women wear, it matches the boots. It matches the boots. So that's my thing. I need to level up to Bronze League in League of Legends. Yes, I'm not messing around. I'm not messing around. If I played League of Legends, I would be above SBF. I would grind for that. Billy Bob's in Fort Worth Stockyards is where you need to go. Billy Bob's. Wait, I've probably seen it. I was in the Stockyards. Hold on. Billy Bob's. Picture images. Oh, I know exactly where this is. I've seen this spot. Yup. I know exactly where this is. And you know what? I didn't even go there, but I saw it. I remember it. It's a big building. I remember walking by that. You know what? If you guys look on my Instagram story, and I have on Instagram, it has like different stories, right? So I have adventures. So I have me in Fort Worth. And I think you might have seen that building in that video, if I remember correctly. My costume last year, I don't remember what my costume was last year. What did I do? I think I did a softball player on stream or something. I think that's what I did. I remember I did 2 different costumes in one day last year. Got to look back at that. You were taught line dancing in middle school. I heard about that. You know what? When I think I talked about it when I had Mitch Ray on the show, and he was telling me that he learned line dancing when he was young too. So that, you know what? That's a thing in the South. That's a thing in the South. Absolutely. Make a Zest wallet for my special events. Daniel, I want my own cold storage wallet. That's the goal. I want to make my own cold storage wallet. If any nerds in the chat want to help. Chris Hanley, nothing off limits there. Yeah, I mean, listen, man, that's a vibe. Texas State Fair begins this week, ends around end of October. You must go. You'll enjoy it. I would love to. I would absolutely love to. I wish I could, man. I need to leave the city. Absolutely, I do. Absolutely, I do. This is like the city. It's been raining. It's sad. It's expensive. It's depressing. I want to be like free in the fields, or like get some like good produce when I'm looking at these strawberries. Gross, absolutely gross. And you know what? I would like to live on a beach too. Like I'll take some farmlands, but I'll also take a beach. Live on the beach, have like maybe solar panels, and I don't know, live a little off-grid life on the beach. Have a little bit zest there. I don't know. I like the beach. I want a view. Ocean. I want to see water, not like dirt, brown water that I see near me now. It's pretty lame. Echo Lee said farmer's market. Echo, here's the thing, dude. I go to a farmer's market, and it's a little thing this big of strawberries, and they'll charge you triple what the supermarket is. They want you to eat poop berries. Yes, a farm next to the beach. Uncle Jimmy, what did he say? We have to get you down for rodeo. Oh my gosh, Jimmy, if you bring me to the freaking rodeo, I will love you forever. I'm so serious right now. I want to go to the rodeo. I was watching an Amazon Prime series. It's called Rad. And they're all bull riders. And they're relatively young dudes, too. Some are in like 20s, 30s. But they're crazy, man. I want to see a gosh dang rodeo. I'm getting southern. Gosh dang rodeo. You know? Will I ride? Absolutely will not get on. No. Not all set? No. Rodeo smell. I need to go. Dave, I need to go. I need to experience it. I'm telling you right now. It rains every day in South Florida. It's been raining here for days, girl, so I feel your vibe. DR will welcome you whenever you want. Thank you, Juan. You want to have a beach house like millionaires? No, you don't have to be a millionaire to have a beach house, dude. You could live like, you know, it doesn't have to be where all these plush areas. You could have like a nice little beach and do your thing, you know? You don't need a freaking mansion or anything crazy or an expensive area to live by a beach. That is false information. You want a mansion farm next to the beach? that sounds great. Elliot says his garden is booming. Tomatoes, tomatillos, squash, cucumbers, onions, sweet potato. Oh, golly, as Jimmy would say, Uncle Jimmy. That's crazy, dude. Can we get 4 more likes for 150 likes? That would make my heart warm. Mutton Busted is the best. They put a 7-year-old kid on a sheep and... Oh, my God. Like, that went up on YouTube. Oh, gosh. Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy, you're crazy, dude. Oh, I'm actually... You know what? I Googled it. I have it saved on a tab. I'm going to watch that after this concludes, for sure. I want to go to a rodeo, dude. Destroyer 1911. Hola to you. Good morning. Good welcomes. Good afternoons. I don't know where you're located. I assume you're in Vegas because you're friends with the Sin City Bros. Is that true? So it's a good morning to you. Wow. Really? Is that good? Is that what it takes to get the like button hit, Mr. Sir? Gen X Crypto, who got hacked. I could go through that for you really quick. We saw that there was Mixin, which is, there was a hack due to a cloud service provider. And the hack confirmed on the 23rd. It drained $200 million worth of crypto assets on the mainnet. An immediate suspension of all deposit and withdrawal services on Mixin Network followed that revelation. There was $95 million in ETH, the stable coins, $23 million in Bitcoin. It amounted to $141.32 million with this portfolio. So a crazy amount of money. So there we go. So we have 151 likes. Pump it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, pamp it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've come to realize I love animals too much to enjoy rodeos. Aw, it's okay. Wait, February, March, we'll make it happen. Really? February is my birthday. That's when I'm turning 21. Oh, mid-February, that's the birthday. That's the 21. That's the zesty day. See, now when I turn 21, you might have to beef Jimmy with Rob and Dave from Sin City. I mean, I don't know. Dave, I know Rob wants me to come to Vegas. He's willing to pull the strings. So, but Dave wants me to wait till I'm 21 to go to Vegas. So there might be some battles there. Like, where do I go? Do we go hang out with Uncle Jimmy and go to the rodeo, or do we go to eat In-N-Out Burger? Oh my gosh, I could eat In-N-Out in Texas too. Ooh, and I also could get a new T-shirt for this year. Ooh, it will be a new year by then. Oh, Uncle Jimmy. I don't know. We got to talk about this. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. Yes, I am turning 21. I know people are like, what? People still think I'm like 17. Like, it's crazy. People don't even know like how old I am. It's crazy. It's okay. I guess like still because people see Miss Teen Crypto. It's like, Tech Man, nice to see you. When are you changing your name to Miss Crypto? Never. Never changing it. It is what it is. Listen, I've been doing this since I was 17. That's what everyone knows me as, and that's what I'm gonna be. That's what I'm gonna be. I thought you were like 21. I'm 20. I'm about to be 21. February 16th. You'll be in Vegas the week before. Oh, my gosh, imagine we do a 21st birthday meetup in Vegas. That would be crazy. That would be actually wild. That would be like, as Jimmy says, golly, Uncle Jimmy, right? Uncle Jimmy, what's the vibe? Oh gosh. Jimmy, I can't believe you, man. Look at the gift.
I made the decision for you, remembers the super chat.
Freaking gift. twice today. Oh my gosh, it's a new gift, Jimmy. Tell me you liked it. Jimmy, tell me you liked the gift. Pump it up. I love this show so much. We're talking about Southern things and yeehaw. You made the decision for me. Listen, Uncle Jimmy, you're my uncle, so it's like you could make the decisions. Oh my gosh. We're going to the rodeo. RM said, Mrs. Crypto, I'm not married. Everyone keeps asking if I'm married, if I'm engaged. I'm not married. I'm not engaged. I am a single Pringle. Gosh. If I was a Pringle, what flavor Pringle do you think I would be? Randy said he's coming. Emma coming too. You need to reserve the spots. Oh, God, Jimmy. Like, Jimmy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I replaced that gift and the crazy gift. That one I'm so excited. One day that'll play. Don't lie, I don't have 50 fiancés.
They're not. They're not.
Doug said lemon zest flavor. That would be my Pringle. Crypto Chef said zesty. Crypto Search said sour cream onion. Ray K said hot and spicy Pringle. I do. Thank you. True said married to Litecoin, Bitcoin. Merge your mind with Dogecoin, so I guess I'm married to that. I don't know. I'm very committed to my cryptos. Like, I receive cryptocurrency. I purchase cryptocurrency. I hodl that with diamond hands. Diamond hands with all the love in the world. Because
If you're some man, what the rock is cooking.
I love that so much. SK, thank you for the bear. That's so cute. I love that. Thank you. I appreciate it. Morton said Chris Kringle is always watching. Oh, Matt, what? My Brooklyn bro, Matt. How have you been? ATC, oh my God. Stop. No, G, you're crazy. Crane said, no fiance standing right here. I'm wounded again. I gotta get a quote from the Vampire Diaries now. Damn, I can't with you guys. You guys are great. Hi, Ninja. Can I have a question about how you're feeling about the whole situation with Ben BitBoy? Serge, I've went over it earlier in the show. I've been going over it since pretty much the beef began. How I feel about it, I'm staying pretty neutral, and I always have stayed neutral. And I know like it might not be the answer that like people want from me. People want me to get involved. They want me to go off. They want me to like rant and rave about this one did this one did that. But at the end of the day, we have no. Hold on. We have no clue what actually happened there. So for me to like give an opinion, it's like if I gave an opinion, people would be looking like Randy, who cares? Like, like there's plenty of people that have their opinion out there. So for me to get involved in it is totally not worth it. So, and again, I don't know the real story. So for me to like say anything about anyone is just like me taking a shot in the dark and saying, oh, I know this for a fact. I know that for when I don't. So, and like I said, I've had nice interactions with Discover or Hit Network, whoever. They were in the chat earlier. They were being nice, so I can't say that they're mean people. And I've also known Ben since pretty much I started, and he was very nice to me when I talked to him. And when I was getting kind of bullied on the crypto Twitter, he came up to me in person at my first conference. It was like, how do you get through it? I'm here for you. And I was like, thank you. So, I've never had a bad interaction with Ben. Never had a bad interaction with his wifey. Shout out to Bethany, very sweet woman. So I have nothing bad to say about anybody. So for me to give my opinion is actually a little bit worthless. So I'm happy and I'm healthy, and so are you guys in the chat. At least I hope so. I know some people are, struggling with a few things, and everyone's struggling with things in life, but it is life. And yes, the thing with Hit Network is freaking messy up the wazoo. But is it something that we could do anything about? Is it something that my opinion will change? Not really. So that's that. Thank you. I'm a class Alexandra G, my girl. Thank you. So I hope you're not upset with my answer there, my friend. But I hope that was satisfactory enough for you. That's just my honest opinion. Is no opinion. That's so spicy. Oh my gosh. Guys, I know that there's drama ensuing. I know that we had 156 likes today. I know that you guys are great individuals, and I was so excited to go live today, especially because this outfit. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm feeling the crypto show vibe. I have a new outfit that has pockets. Ooh. Ooh. Pew, pew, pew. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. You guys are great. I'm just like joking around. I'm kind of obsessed with this, like, you know. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I have a lot of love for this show. I have a lot of love for crypto. And I say it every day. It's because I genuinely mean it. Maybe I don't need to say it anymore, but I feel like I do. Zesty Zeppeli Pringles. Oh! Ah! That's beautiful, M2. I love Zeppelis. Zeppelis is the best. I know that something's about to come in. Shout out to Elliot.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Stay neutral. Let them handle the drama.
Elliot, and that I shall do. Will, thank you for the compliments. I'm glad you got pockets. It's just great, and I freaking can't with you guys. Elliot, yeah, thank you. Again, neutrality is the thing. Positivity is where we're at, and that's what you will expect from this show. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys haven't yet, please make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on with Bitcoin, crypto, the drama, every single thing. Make sure that you guys are happy, you're healthy, and stay zesty, as well as...
If you're some man, what the rock is cooking.
Oh, dang.